Hi everyone, my name is Chella and I'm from Bali, Indonesia. Today I'm in Florence Nightingale Hospital after my third day of robotic surgery. I was diagnosed with ovarian cyst and endometriosis in stage 4 last month when I was in my home in Bali, and then my doctor suggesting me to find a better hospital with better facilities and better doctor to perform my surgery. Everything is super fast. We arranged the surgery within only 1 week. Everything went very smoothly and good. We did online consultation and it's free of charge. After the online consultation, we arranged the schedule for my surgery, and I came from Bali to Istanbul. One day before the surgery, I did a consultation directly with the doctor to check everything what I have, to do the blood test. The next day, he performed my surgery, and today it's the third day after the surgery. I'm already feeling fine. I can walk, I can go back to my hotel, and they will arrange another visit with the doctor. And my experience with the hospital is very good. The hospital is very super. The nurse is taking care good of me. The staff are very nice. They are all friendly. The doctor is super. I have really huge thanks for Alisher. He arranged everything for me, from the consultation with the doctor, from the transport. He checked on me and every day to make sure if everything is good with me, and I would really highly recommending for someone who is in the same position as me and looking for medical treatment. I would recommend Florence Nightingale Hospital with Professor Jem.